Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to manage multiple domains in Squarespace. So if you're ready, let's get into it. So if you are here and you would like to manage those domains that you have connected, you can just go ahead and click on this button at the top. You'll see all your domains that are connected to this specific website. Now, there are a number of reasons why you could have more than one domain, and I'm going to show you that right now. So if you go to domains, you can transfer a domain from another company that you've purchased a domain from. And then you can also get a domain directly through Squarespace. Now, let's say, for example, you would like to do building mat, and let's say that there's a couple different extensions that you would like. You can go and you can choose to purchase multiple domains right over here, and this could help a few things. It'll help you rank better on Google. It'll also help you to redirect traffic from multiple domains to your website if people are perhaps misspelling your business name or your domain. And then one of the most important reasons is it kind of helps competitors using similar looking names or similar spelt names. So as you can see, you can purchase as many as you would like right over here. So you can purchase buildingmat.net.com.org and so forth. If there's something that you don't see here, you can actually go and type it in, and if it is available, it'll come up. If it's not available, then it will not come up here. So you can see that it is available over here, and you can make that purchase. Now, the more domains you have, the better it is for your website, and the better you'll be able to transfer traffic searching for your website or services and products that your website or your business provide, and it will convert that traffic into people on your website and potential sales. So once you've purchased all those domains and you are up and running, you can actually manage everything right here from your domains dashboard.